We will break the boundaries in course quality with this one course. Have you ever tried making stylized materials in Substance Designer, but all you found was tutorials with no clear explanation and no real guidance on how everything works? I certainly have. That is the reason why I'm creating this course. Ever since I started my material making journey, I wanted to make stylized materials, but I have never found any real course or tutorials on how to do so. Therefore, after years of learning and adapting, I wanted to share my knowledge with everyone in an easy to learn fashion. I have created this course for everyone. That means that no matter if you're an absolute beginner or an already well-versed material artist, you can always learn something from this course. I will provide you with this unique opportunity to learn to make amazing stylized materials in Substance Designer with top-level tutorials and guidance, and teach you the skills that will translate further into your material making journey. At the end of this course, you will have an amazing portfolio of materials, unique to you, that you will be able to brag about and post on social media. This course launches on October 15th, but we are running a pre-sale right now with 50% off, so be sure not to miss out and enroll as of today. Thank you for taking the time to hear my message, and I hope you have a wonderful day.